Yo, what's up, man? Welcome to the channel, right? So look, man, we doing something different today, right? I know y'all normally see gaming content on here, and we play Warzone and Arc Raiders, and so we do a lot of gaming content. But today, I decided to switch it up a little bit for y'all, because I got a banger, right? That I need you guys. Well, I ain't gonna say I need y'all to, if you want to, right? If you like to smell good, if you're into fragrances, and you're looking for something new, or maybe not as talked about in the fragrance community, I would say this is something that you may need to get your nose on. Just take my word for it. Take my word for it. I'm not gonna bring you nothing that's trash, right? We don't even do this on this channel, right? We don't even do this on this channel. So that lets you know I had to bring this to the forefront, right? And so the fragrance that we're talking about today is none other than, hold on, we got a bag here too. Hold on, we got a bag right here. As y'all can see, hold on, let me let it focus in. Let's let it focus in. Where we at? Can y'all? Yo, we got the bag from Neiman Marcus, right? So check it out. This is an unboxing, right? I ain't even popped the wrap off of it yet. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. And the fragrance that we're talking about today is none other than Vanilla Powder by the House of Matiere. Yo. Listen to me. If you have not gotten your nose on this, please do so, right? So we're gonna dig into this, man. This is my first, I know some people like to hear that. Hold on. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yo, so here we go, yo. We got Vanilla Powder right here. This is a 3.4 ounce. Solid packaging. And this is a Premiere line too. Let me add that. This is a high quality line. So if you're into fragrances and you like to smell good and you're into premium things, this is what you need in your lineup. As you can see back there, like I got some stuff. I got some stuff, right? And then I'm gonna show y'all something too. I'm gonna show y'all something after this. So let's get the bottle out. Oh my God. You don't understand. Listen, you don't understand what this does to people. Honestly. Like no cap. No cap. This right here, Vanilla Powder. Let's get a spray. Oh. Listen, man, I'm telling you, if you are into vanillas, right? And you tired of the same kind of vanilla, synthetic, syrupy. This is what you need in your lineup right now. When I say beast mode, powerhouse fragrance, you're going to get, look at the color of the juice. Look at the color of the juice. You're going to get at least, I'm gonna say me, right? I get about probably anywhere from 10 to 12 hours of longevity with this right here. Scent trail is amazing. Sillage is going to be amazing, right? You can spray it on your clothes and literally have to wash your clothes to get the scent out. Now, I know everybody may not be into these nuclear type fragrances, right? That just last and last and last and last and last. And I get it, cool. But me, this retails for out of the door with tax included. This retails for $348 out the door. Okay. So now me, I don't know about you. I don't know about you. I'm just saying me. If I spend, you know, close to $400 on a fragrance, right? Let's get some on the skin. Oh man. Oh, that is insane. That is insane. So look, this is what I'm gonna do real quick. While I'm sitting here, I'm going to pull up the note breakdown. I know what's in it, right? I know what's in it. I know the notes, but we're gonna do a note breakdown so you guys will know, like, you know, what you getting. But you getting a ton of vanilla, and it's not like your average. It's not like your average vanilla. This is not that. This is not that. This is vanilla with a twist, for sure. So let's look at the nose. Let's look at the note breakdown. Okay, so in the note breakdown, if this fragrance was launched in 2023, of course, by Matiere Premiere. And so the top notes are going to be coconut powder, heliotrope. The middle notes are going to be Madagascar vanilla. Base notes are vanilla absolute, white musk, Palo Santo, lactones, and coconut. When I tell you, this has to be my most complimented fragrance of all time. Hands down. Hands down, my most complimented fragrance ever. I'm not exaggerating when I say this. I'm telling you this truthfully. I don't even do reviews. I don't do cologne reviews, but I felt the need to speak on vanilla powder. And reason being is because everywhere I go, and I'm not joking with you, everywhere I go, right? No matter where it is, wherever I go, Sam's Club, get my oil changed, mailbox, you name it, someone is going to say, hey, excuse me, what is that you have on? It smells amazing. And so I get this time after time after time after time after time again. So I felt compelled. To speak on vanilla powder. One of the most powerhouse, realistic vanillas you could ever wear. And like I said, it's not like your normal vanillas. You get a coconut in the opening. Still vanilla, but you get that coconut powder. You get it's almost like you take the skin off of the coconut, and it's hyper realistic at that too. So you get the skin off of the coconut, still with vanilla mixed, and it keeps that vanillic, sensual, sexy vibe from hour 1 all the way to hour 10. And if I moisturize, I literally get, man, listen, 12, 14 hours out of this. Serious, this is a workhorse. So for $348 out the door with tags, I'm not complaining. I'm not mad, and I'm gonna show you how serious. You wanna see how serious I am about this? Bam. Yeah, so this is my second bottle. Right? And I told myself that I would never be without a bottle of vanilla powder in my collection. Ever. I would never be without it. And so I do have some other vanillas back here. Another one of my favorites is Sweet Vanilla by the House of Montal. Now, that is a confectiony, super sweet vanilla. So it can become a tad bit cloying if you over apply, if you wear it in high heat. This is a great year-round vanilla. I wore it in the summer. I'm wearing it in the winter, and I have not had any adverse reactions to this fragrance whenever I wear it. Always positive, always a ton of compliments from everybody I come in contact with. They like, I have to know, where did you get this fragrance from? And so with that being said, that's why I did feel the need to shed some light on vanilla powder. I haven't seen just like a ton of videos. I've seen a few, but if you have not gotten your nose on vanilla powder by the House of Matiere, listen, premium. I cannot stress this enough. Premium. Insane. So you also, as it's going through the motion, so you get sort of like maybe like a pencil shaving type of smell mixed along with it. It's not strong, but you do get like a sense of like pencil shavings. If you ever took a pencil sharpener and and you're in class and you go to the front, you have to sharpen your pencil, you get like a little hint of that wood. That's kind of what it smells like. Still never losing that vanillic undertone. So you're still gonna get like tons and tons of vanilla from this. It is has a aspect of musk to it as well. So if you don't like vanilla, for one, stay away from it. If you don't like musk, I say stay away from it. And it does has that woody undertone. So if you don't like woods, you don't like musk, you don't like vanilla, then this is not for you, right? So I wouldn't say go drop 348 on this if you don't like those things, clearly, But for me, this is a 10 out of 10. Best $348 I ever spent. As you can tell, when my bottle ran out, guess what I did? I shot straight to Neiman's, and we had to replace this. We had to replace this bottle. This is a luxury vanilla. This is not a playful. Let me clear it up. This is not a playful vanilla. This is a luxury vanilla. So with that said, if you're into finer things, you love vanilla, you have to love it. You have to love vanilla first. You have to love it. You love vanilla. You're not afraid of musk. And you also like a little wood sprinkling in. Longevity through the roof. Quality through the roof. I have nothing, 10 out of 10 fragrance right here. So if you're looking for your next vanilla purchase and you don't know what you want to change something, you want something new, I'm telling you right now, you will not regret this one right here. Vanilla Powder by Matiere Premiere. Please, if you love vanillas, go get your nose on this, man. Go get your nose on it, right? You see, we double up on bottles. That's just how good it is. That's just how good it is, man. We not doing no capping. Hey, it's that good. We double up. We doubling up. When it run out, when it run out, going to get another one, right? So, like I said, vanilla powder, One of the best vanilla fragrances I've ever owned, I've ever smelled, hands down. So yeah, that's that, man. And this is Who Shot Who, man. Y'all know we normally do gaming stuff on here, man. We normally drop gaming content, but I felt the need to bring vanilla powder to the forefront because I get so many questions. I get so many compliments, and people just ask me, yo, what is that? What is that? What do you have on? What are you wearing? And so I just wanted to bring it to the forefront, man. Vanilla powder from the house of Matiere Premiere. You can grab it at Saks. You can grab it at Neiman's. I'm not sure if it's discounted online, anything like that. When I'm spending that much money on something, I just like to go straight to the source and get it. So, hey, with that being said, man, don't forget, if you like this type of content, this may be something new we do here. I don't know. I'm just saying, this may be something new we do. Cause I got a ton of stuff I can review back there, man. So, hey, subscribe, hit the like button, share the video. It's free. It don't cost you a thing. And what I'm bringing you is game. If you want something different, you want something nice, you want something sexy, alluring, seductive, mysterious, vanilla powder. Trust me, I ain't gonna tell you no lie. Vanilla powder, man. With that being said, man, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss this kind of content. Cause we may start something new on this channel. I don't know, gang. I'm just saying. You don't want to miss it. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. It's your boy. Who Shot Who, man. We out of here. Peace.